What if we could predict disasters before they strike and prepare for them more effectively? How can artificial intelligence help us in disaster recovery? These are questions we often find ourselves asking. The answer lies in the transformative role that AI plays in disaster recovery. Imagine a system that can analyze vast amounts of data from weather patterns to seismic activity and use this information to predict disasters. This same system can then plan the most efficient evacuation routes, potentially saving countless lives. And it doesn't stop there. After a disaster, AI can help assess the damage quickly and accurately, cutting down on the time it would traditionally take humans to do the same task. But perhaps the most significant contribution of AI is its ability to help communities build back better and more resilient. By analyzing past disasters and recovery efforts, AI can guide us in designing more resilient infrastructures and systems. It might sound like science fiction, but AI is already playing a crucial role in disaster recovery around the world. Take the case of a small community in Florida that was devastated by a hurricane in 2023. The storm was fierce, leaving the community in ruins, but the power of artificial intelligence played a crucial role in minimizing the loss of life and in the recovery efforts. Let's delve into the details. Before the hurricane hit, AI was instrumental in predicting the storm's path. This was not just about forecasting the hurricane's trajectory, but also about predicting its intensity and potential impact. AI algorithms, trained on historical weather data, generated accurate predictions that helped the local administration to plan evacuation routes more efficiently. This strategic use of AI drastically reduced the time taken for evacuation and minimized chaos, thereby saving countless lives. Once the hurricane had passed, the community was left with the daunting task of recovery and rebuilding. But here again, AI proved to be a game changer. Drones equipped with AI-powered image recognition technology were deployed to assess the damage. These drones swiftly scanned the community, identifying areas of severe destruction and helping